Did you guys know that the same female wetness can be found on dolphins? Don't believe me? Look it up. It's called squalene or squalene, something like that. But anyway, we got a new bag from a new sales associate. Yeah. And you know when you see the embroidered bag with the strap to match, know the nails was not planned, is going to be a good one. She is a 9. However, what I need you guys to do very quickly for me is read the caption. The caption will tell you which sales associate I got it from. They will be tagged in it. Also, too, the beautiful location at the top of my profile will also tell you where you can go. And there's a group that's also attached to that where you can get all direct links and see things before I get them. So now, let's get into the bag. I did undress her, wine and dine her, you know, got to know her, asked her name and everything, so that way we could save some time. And she is absolutely beautiful. She is in a size 25 because I did want to do something a little smaller. I do love my 30s down bad, but I wanted a 25 just for when, you know, I'm having lighter days, like when I go to school and I don't really have nothing to do, or for when I'm going to work. I did compare her with the one that I got from Emma, and she is magnificent. The smell of leather, everything is so great. So we're going to get into the bag. The zipper is really good. Here is your pouch. The pouch is significantly smaller than the 30 because the pouches go according to the size of the bag. So here is your pouch here, and it has leather on the inside with this beautiful design. Everything is the same. Another thing that's going to be different with this bag is that you are not going to have the 2 pockets on the inside. Shoulder strap, did not take it apart because we all know I do not use it. She has her beautiful pillow on the inside, real small, real cutesy, real soft. And then we get into the bag itself. Of course, you still have your beautiful plate right here. I think it's covered. I didn't take off the wrapping off that, but yeah. So you only have your zipper right here, and on the opposite side, there is no pockets. Come with all the same trimmings. Glazing is absolutely beautiful. This sales associate did not miss. Everything is where it needs to be on the rivets. The zipper, you know, we always got to do a zipper test of the inside pocket as well. She is good. She is good. I absolutely love her. She is stunning. And yes, she does come with the stamp, which is going to be on this side. Let me see if I can bend that up. Okay, my damn nail in the way. Can y'all see that? There you go. It's a lobster. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous bag. Love her so much. The 25s are a little more structured than the 30s, but she will be your absolute best friend. Once again, this associate that I got it from will be tagged down below, so make sure you read all of that. All of that. Please, 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 please. I beg of you. And also, go look up that fun fact that I told you about. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.